Today I will show you how to set up the timer in the meeting. So this is a website that you can access online everywhere as long as you have the internet connections. You can use either laptop, tablets, or even a phone. Okay, so here's the website. At first you need to add the meeting title. Let's say we just say, okay, meeting number one. Then you can add multiple topics in here. So let's say topic number one and assign for how many minutes that you want to be spent on that topic. I can change it right here by entering numbers. Let's say we can change it to 5 minutes for topic number one. And you can even add the subtopics by clicking on the button, as many as you want. I will type in here subtopic number one, subtopic number two, subtopic number three. Then you can add more topic as needed. I would say topic number two here would assign, let's say 15 minutes for this one. Topic here we can say topic number three with 3 minutes for this one and 2 subtopics. You can name whatever you want. Okay, now you already have the information for the meeting agenda. You can save the config so you can load it later by this button. So the load config button to load the pre-saved config, and the save config to save whatever you type in here so you can load that later. For example, if you want to prepare the meeting ahead of time, you can just save the config right here. It will save with the name .json, and when you need to load the config back, you just press on the button and reload the meeting that you saved before. I already did the meeting configurations before, so I'll just refresh the website right here, and I will load the config that I saved. So I will load the config here. I choose the file that I saved before. In here I name it sample. But let me open it up, and you can see the meeting information right here. After you finish filling all the informations, you can click on launch timer. Now you have the timer for the meeting. In this meeting, you have a few functions here. Firstly, that the title of the meeting. This is the timer. This is the remaining timer for specific agenda, like the topic that we viewed out earlier. And for this agenda, when you click on specific agenda topic, you can see the subtopics on the middle columns in here. As I change it, let's say I change to technology, I would have 2 subtopics. If I click on the holiday, I have holiday and vacation subtopics. For the right hand side, we have the live notes. If you want to add any notes in here, it will appear on the report later. And you can add as much as you can on these live notes sections as the meeting goes on. In here we have the start broadcasting. So this function is used when you want to share your timer with another member during the meetings. If you want to let everyone know how much time do we have left for the meeting. By doing this, you can click on the start broadcasting. If you see the green color, which means it is live, and all the members can use this code right here to join the meeting. In here we have the this icon. It means we can open it full screen. Alright, so now we're in full screen. To start the timer, we can press on start. So you see the time starting to count down. This is the total time. This is the remaining time for the current topic. So with the current topic, it will be highlighted, and you can see the number is counting down here also. So we say and up at the bottom we already know that we have the star or pause button here. We can press on star to start counting down, or we can pause to pause the meeting. Let's say the meeting would have 5 minutes break. You can just pause the meeting for 5 minutes and come back later and hit on star again. So I'll show you what would it say when we go over time for the introduction part. So let's say the agenda introduction we assign for 1 minute, and we're reaching 1 minute right now. So 8, 7, 6 seconds left. Okay, as long as it's went over the 1 minute aside, it will change the color and the time started to count up as overtime, and we will know how much time did we spend over on this topic. So in order to move on to the next topic, we can just press on this square button right here, and it will move on to the next topic. And as you see right here, the holiday compensatory is the next topic, and the highlight automatically jump onto that topic, and the time starting to count down again. For the introduction, as you've seen here, we have 28 seconds overtime. All right. Another function I want to show you is the minus or plus 1 minute in case that the meeting decided to extend or reduce the time, the total time. Let's say we have 3 minutes right here, but I press on minus 1 minute, it go down to 2 minutes. Okay, if we already finished this topic ahead of time, we can press on the square and we go next to the next topic. There we go. So we go go to the next topic, and 15 minutes starting to count down for differential. Now we can check the holiday compensatory. We save 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Okay, so during the meeting, if we decided to change the order of the topics, we can just easily drag and drop. So let's say if we want the ED nurses to speak up going before technology, we can just move it by drag and drop. So the ED nurses speak up now go ahead before the technology. And the last thing we have here is the report. So for the report that will show how did we do during the meeting, we can simply click on report and see the report of the meeting of each topics, plan, how many minutes did we plan, how many minutes did we actually spend, and if we wrote any note in the live notes section in here. Now if you want to save it for reference, you can click on the eSpoke PDF to save the PDF file of the report in your computer. All right, I already download it, so let me go back and I will open the file for you so you can see. So you can open the PDF file here, and this is the PDF file that we extract from the countdown. So we have title here, the time, the date, the time of the meeting, each topic, what is the plan, and actual minutes that we spend on the current issues. Also the bar graphs so we can visualize them. Let me know if you want to add or remove any functions to make the meeting more efficiency.